It takes 21 days to make a habit, or 28 days, or 40 days, or 66 days. Have you come across an Instagram ad, or someone's post, or some author, and a very favorite one, saying something on these lines? My question to you is, does it have to be a number for a habit to be made? Is it really truth? Let's take an example of gardening. Have you planted a seed, or have you seen your grandparents or parents plant a small plant on the garden, or someone else do that? So, did we just plant it, watered it for 21 days, 28 days, or 66 days and let it be? Or did we constantly nourish the plant with organic fertilizers or water, constantly tilt the ground around the plant so that the plant could breathe a lot more, constantly sprinkle water on the leaves so that they could keep shining and enhance that photosynthesis process? So, do you really think a habit can be made after 21 days and forgotten about it? It's all but a marketing gimmick. In fact, I have a profound belief that it takes forever to build a habit and only few days to unravel it. Imagine a small seed has turned into a plant now, and you stop watering it, you stop nourishing it. What will happen? The plant will die because its roots were not strong enough, just like this tree. In fact, it grew to a very good height, but no one looked after it, and it's gone. This is what happens when you fall into such worldly authors saying about 21 days or 28 days or 66 days. You don't have to go big. You have to do small steps, but you have to continuously do all those small steps so that your roots are strong enough. Once the roots are strong enough, like these trees, even if you go a day or two without them, your roots are strong enough to get you back into those routine. So do not fall in for the trap of numbers. It takes forever to build a habit and only few days to unravel it. Think about it. What is that habit that you want to make? Put it in the comment section below. If you have fallen in for 21 days or 28 days or 66 days marketing gimmicks, put it in the comment section below. And if you disagree with me, again put it in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to reach out to you and answer to your queries or comments. And hey, if you wish to make a habit of reading each and every day, I've got a batch coming up. How about you check my website out in the description box below?